Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection with update operation or modification operation. So first of all, what are lists in Python programming? So coming to some technical points about the list. So list is an ordered collection of data or elements in Python. So list provides indexes to the collection of data, and list elements are mutable. So once a list is created, we can modify the original data, and list can store same type of data or different type of data. And list values can be given in square brackets and separated with commas. For example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. And in every list we have indexes to the collection of data or elements. So these indexes generally range from 0 to size -1 or n-1. Example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, which are left to right forward index. And Python also supports negative indexes. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, which is in backward direction, right to left. So 11 is -5 and 55 is -1. So now here, using indexes and slicing operator. So the slicing operator is square brackets. We can modify the elements or data in a list. For example, list of index, list of starting index, ending index. Example, so list 1 of 0, 100. So 11 will be replaced by 100. List 1, 3. Starting index, ending index is not included. So 1, 2 will be replaced by 200, 300. So index 1, index 2 will be replaced by 200 and 300. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python lists example 6. Take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So initially we are taking list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Print list 1. So we'll do all the cases one by one. Save this program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So Python lists example, okay, 6. Right, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So now we'll try to modify the values or update the values, modification or updation. So list 1 of 0, 100. So 11 will be replaced by 100. So list is modifiable, it is mutable, original data can be modified. Print list of 1. Save it and run it. So 11 is replaced by 100. Next, list 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 is not included. So 22, 33 are replaced by 200, 300. Right. Save it and run. 22, 33 are replaced by 200 and 300. Let us work with negative indexes also. So list of -1, 500. So -1 is 55. So 55 is replaced by 500. Run it. So 55 is replaced by 500. Next, list -2, -4. Okay, replace with 4000 and 3000. So what is -2? -2 is 44. So 44 is replaced by 4000. -3, 33. So 33 is replaced by 3000. -4 is not included because it is the ending index in the slicing. Okay, after that print list 1. So save it and run it. Okay, right. So here, yeah, one important point, in the negative indexes, when we take a range, instead of replacing, they will add in between. So this is one special case. Okay, so special case in negative index range. Okay, so here, instead of replace, it will add in between. So it will add in between in that particular -2, -3. Okay, so when it is added in between -2, -3, okay, so you will get it as 4,000 and 3,000. Okay, right. So this is how we are supposed to work with list with indexes and slice operator to update or modify elements in a list. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.